Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video, pronoun. Here we'll discuss about definition of pronoun, example of pronoun and different types of pronoun. So here we go. Definition of pronoun. Pronouns are words that are mainly used to replace a noun in a sentence. However, there are several different types of pronoun in English language. Each of these has a particular purpose in the sentence. Example of pronoun. Sarah has always loved fashion. Sarah announced that Sarah wants to go to fashion school. Instead of Sarah, you can use the pronoun she and her. Sarah has always loved fashion. She announced that she wants to go to fashion school. Here we come to different types of pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are used as a substitute for a person's name. There are two kinds, subjective and objective pronouns. That is, they either act as the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence. As the subject of a sentence, they are I, you, he and she. Example, I don't want to leave. As the object of a sentence, they are me, you, him and her, etc. Example, go talk to her. Please stand behind me. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership or possession of a pronoun. They are my, our, your, his, her and their, etc. For example, in a sentence, is that my book? No, that's his book. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun don't point to a particular nouns. We use them when an object doesn't need to be specifically identified. As such, it can remain indefinite. They include few, everyone, all, some, anything, and nobody. For example, in a sentence, everyone is here already. Few people come to the party. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to connect a clause or phrases to a noun or pronoun. We often see them when we need to add more information they are. Example, who, whom, which and whoever. Examples like in a sentence, who is your teacher? Which is your favorite subject? Here we come to demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns take the place of a noun that's already been mentioned. They can be singular or plural. They include this, those, this, that and such. For example, in a sentence, these are ugly. Those are lovely. Here we go for interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun do just what they say. They work in the sentence that are posing a questions. They are who, what, whoever, whichever and whatever. For example, in a question we can see who is going to arrive fast? What are you bringing to the party? And lastly, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are similar to intensive pronoun. They are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refers to the same person or thing. This pronoun ends in self or selves. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For example, in a sentence we see, you are going to drive yourself to the restaurant today. So, in the picture in the right hand side, we can see the reflexive pronoun shown.